Thinking of buying tourmaline? With its stunning array of colors and rich history, this gemstone can be a true treasure, but how do you make sure you're getting the real deal? Tourmaline is a gemstone that has captivated the interest of gemologists and collectors alike for centuries due to its vibrant colors and remarkable variety. It belongs to a silicate mineral group, composed of boron, aluminum, and other trace elements, which gives it its diverse range of hues. Found in colors from deep reds and greens to blues, pinks, and even colorless, tourmaline's appeal lies not only in its stunning aesthetic qualities but also in the fact that no two stones are identical. The gemstone's complex crystal structure allows for an array of colors to appear within a single stone, which is one of the reasons why it is regarded as one of the most versatile gems in the jewelry world. In nature, tourmaline is commonly found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. It often forms in long, prismatic crystals, sometimes with a striking multicolored effect called bicolor or tricolor, where the stone exhibits different hues along its length. The presence of specific trace elements in the mineral is responsible for these variations. For example, the inclusion of iron results in a green tourmaline, while chromium is associated with the red to pink hues. Tourmaline deposits are scattered around the globe, with significant sources found in countries such as Brazil, Africa, and the United States. Its rich color variety, combined with the availability of relatively large gemstones, makes it a popular choice for everything from fine jewelry to more affordable pieces. When purchasing a tourmaline, it is essential to distinguish between genuine stones and synthetic or imitation versions. The gemstone industry has seen the rise of synthetic tourmalines, which are created in labs and often look indistinguishable from natural stones to the untrained eye. One key factor in identifying real tourmaline is to assess its color. Genuine tourmaline often displays a unique, natural gradation of color that is hard to replicate in synthetic versions. If the color is too uniform, it may be a sign that the stone is not natural. Moreover, natural tourmaline tends to have more inclusions or imperfections, while synthetic stones are typically clearer, with fewer internal flaws. While inclusions are not always a negative, they can serve as an important clue when determining authenticity. Another method for distinguishing real tourmaline is through its weight. Tourmaline is a relatively dense gemstone, so a genuine tourmaline will typically feel heavier than a synthetic or imitation stone of the same size. This difference in weight is due to the natural composition of the mineral, which is denser than many common synthetic counterparts. Additionally, you can perform a simple scratch test, as tourmaline has a hardness of 7 to 7.5 on the Mohs scale. It is harder than many common imitation stones, such as glass, which has a lower hardness. If you gently scratch the surface of the stone with a sharp object, a real tourmaline should show no significant marks, while a softer imitation material will scratch easily. Understanding the value of a tourmaline is crucial when assessing its authenticity. Real tourmaline, depending on the size, color, and quality, can range in price from relatively affordable to very expensive. Higher quality stones, especially those with vibrant and unique colors such as Paraiba Tourmaline, which exhibits an intense neon blue, can command much higher prices. For collectors and investors, it is important to ensure that the stone being purchased is legitimate. A reputable gemologist or jeweler will often provide certificates of authenticity, especially for rarer or more valuable stones. It is always wise to buy tourmaline from trusted sources, such as established jewelers or certified gem dealers, to ensure the gemstone's legitimacy. As demand for gemstones grows, so does the market for imitations. While it is possible to find fake tourmaline stones that resemble the real thing, technological advancements have made it easier to create convincing synthetic versions. However, despite the rise of imitation materials, the unique qualities of real tourmaline, such as its color zoning, crystal inclusions, and weight, make it distinguishable with careful observation and the right tools. Whether buying for investment, personal use, or simply as a collector's item, understanding how to identify authentic tourmaline ensures that you are getting a genuine gemstone that will maintain its beauty and value over time. The global fascination with tourmaline, driven by its vast color spectrum and diverse sources, continues to grow, creating a thriving market for this stunning gemstone. However, with this growth comes the challenge of discerning between real and fake tourmaline, requiring consumers to rely on knowledge, testing techniques, and expert guidance. By understanding the natural characteristics of tourmaline, such as its unique color variations, internal inclusions, and physical properties, anyone can confidently navigate the world of tourmaline and ensure that their purchases are genuine. Whether worn as jewelry or displayed in a collection, real tourmaline holds its value both aesthetically and financially, standing the test of time as one of the most treasured gemstones on the market. Now that you know how to spot authentic tourmaline, you can confidently invest in this vibrant gemstone. Whether you're collecting or wearing it, a real tourmaline is a lasting beauty in any collection.